Yeah, I'm going to start like this because I got to get in there. I'll explain in a moment, but there's the phones. It's 16:45, Thursday, February 8, 2018, and I still play cassettes in my cassette radio there. And this is the famous truck where I put those up there. Of course, it came with it like that, kind of, but not with those exact tweeters. And then I installed tweeters in the back door here because full range doesn't sound so good down there by your feet, right? So I put them in that door and made a video about how to, you know, make that happy little hole there. So in the meantime, I want to show you about this thing here, which is the Nippon radio. That's rare because it has a 5-band equalizer and it has a bass and treble up here on the top. And ironically, this is the actual box that it came in when I got it. Yeah, I got it from eBay. Okay. And I made another video about it, showing how I took it all apart, fixed it, because the one I bought off eBay was not working. Of course, I made an unboxing video about that as well. And so, in a previous video I made like this, which I have not uploaded yet, but I will, I said that it's not for sale. I want to amend that by saying that this is for sale. Okay? But, yeah, it's for sale. So I just want to show you that it works briefly. If we flip it over here to the auxiliary, nothing. It's the radio, so turn the radio. It sounds pretty good. The volume gets up there pretty high, like that. But I don't want to sell that song, so. And of course, let me tune this thing, put it back to like that. So I mean, it's got short, medium wave, which is, you know, AM. So, you know, it all works. Of course, I don't know about the shortwave part because, you know, it's just difficult to find shortwave channels.
It's so easy to sign up. Just down $250.
Anyway, so there, it looks like that. Okay, and of course, this is all about the cassette deck playing.
Terms and conditions.
So here, if I take it like this, throw a music tape in, just to give you an idea. Nothing fancy, just hit play. So that's correct. The correct pitch. See, I'm looking for the eject. There we go. You try hitting eject on so many different machines through the course of a day, it gets kind of confusing as to remembering which one goes which one. Oops, see? Play. And that sounds good. And the balance is there. That's the whole thing about, you know, there's no balance before the previous, when I got it, there was no left and right channel, so I don't want to sell that song because I've already gotten in trouble about it. So, and then of course, if we take a recording tape here, which I just recorded earlier, something else, so now I'll just hit both of those, and if I go over here and tap on this side here, or like that, and then come back over here and tap on this one, and then just notice the recording, which was, I don't know, so hit stop, hit rewind, about there, hit play. If I go over here and tap on this side here, or like that, and then come back over here and tap on this one, and then just notice the recording went. So like I said, it records, it plays, does everything, it even does Bluetooth. If you want to do Bluetooth, you got 4 minutes on here, okay? I got to get in here and mail this thing off. So here's the, hit play, and get the right, where's the phone at? I put the phone over here, there we go. So, not that one, I don't have any music on that one yet. So we go here and we can get the, wake the phone up, go to the VLC, come on now, and go to external card. Oh, we can do that, let's do that. Yeah, that's pretty loud. So we can, too much fun, right? And people want to, see here, can't get me out of my head. So you can play a few seconds of that too. And just just want to. All right, well, I've had too much fun out here. What's in the box? It's a Panasonic RX-5250. It's going out today, just like I told him I'd ship it out because he paid me yesterday, and it's going out today. So I'd show you the address, but I don't think he'd like that. All right, well, I've got to put this back in the truck, covered up. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go mail that off. Bye-bye.